Welcome to this quick guide on updating your Kramer Control VirtualBrain 1, 5, or any brain with BrainManager following the recent SSL certificate change. We'll cover how to update the certificates and recommended steps for bringing your system back online and then up to date. This guide only applies to devices that are shipped with or has been re-imaged with the KC-VirtualBrain with BrainManager image. You can verify this by connecting the brain to a monitor or navigating to its IP address in your preferred browser. If you see a login prompt, this guide is for you. To verify that your brain has not already been updated, please navigate to the Brain Info page and view the test van area to see if the builders, drivers, and AMQP communications is offline. You will also be able to navigate to the log monitor where you will see an SSL exception error. If this is the case, you will need to follow these steps to repair your brain. The first thing that you would need to do is to navigate to our website, kramerov.com, and in the top right-hand corner, click on the search icon, then type in Brain Utility. Click on that. Download the zip folder and fully extract all the files into a folder on your desktop. Then double-click on KC Config Update, enter in the brain's IP address. In my case, it's 192.168.88.200, and click on Update. The updater will connect to the brain, update the certificates, and you'd be able to verify that in a second by going back to the Brain Info page, and you'll note that the brain state is now active and online. You'll go to the to diagnostics test van. You'll see that all the communications to all the services, the builder, the drivers, and the AMQP server now have green ticks next to it. And on the log monitor, there will be no more periodic SSL exception errors. Now that we have the brain to cloud connectivity restored, the next step is to get the unit up to date. So we'll log into it using its IP address. In my case, it's 192.168.88.200. Bypass the HTTPS warning. Default username is Kramer, and the default password is Kramer, all lowercase. We'll look for the settings tab and then click on updates, followed by check for updates. That will check the cloud for a update for the BrainManager. And once you do update, it will download that and request a restart. There is not currently a way to do this offline. We will make that available in the future, and then you'll use the offline update for the manager package to do that. In this case, it's only available online currently. So we'll let that restart. Now that that's restarted, we can see that the BrainManager is updated to version 10.14. Next, we're going to update the brains. So we'll go to services, we'll check for updates. That's again checking our cloud environment for a newer version. You can see that it's found it with the upgrade options. You can update them individually if you wanted to, or in this instance, I'm just going to upgrade all. That'll pull the latest version and apply them and restart the brain instances with that new version in place. Only take about 20 seconds. So as we can see, the brain versions have now been updated to 2.10.15 and the various instances has been restarted. If you need to update the brains offline, we do have that option as well. You'll have to first start by downloading the offline brain package, which you'll find on our website for the KC-VirtualBrain 1 under the resources tab, the brain production version 2.10.15 file. You download that and we'll just go and extract the zip file. So once that's extracted, we can then navigate to back to the BrainManager under settings, click on the updates tab and look for the brain package using the GPG file. We will then save that. It'll upload the brain package and update the various brain instances and restart them. So that's all done. Under services, we can see that those brains have been updated to version 2.10.15. There is one further step that we do recommend once the process is completed, and that is to simply restart your touch panels and confirm that the user interface is loading as it should. Thank you for watching.